Did you know that more than 80% of engine wear happens because of poor maintenance, dirty fluids, overheating, and bad driving habits rather than actual age? Many people think an engine becomes weak because it has too many miles, but the truth is that most engines lose power because of carbon buildup, clogged filters, dirty injectors, and neglected maintenance. In countries like China, where many drivers want to keep their cars running for hundreds of thousands of miles without spending huge amounts of money, some of these hacks are cheap, some take only a few minutes, and some can make an old engine feel years younger. So in today's video, we are going to reveal Chinese hacks that can make your car engine run like new again. Let's get started.
Hack number 11. Shorter oil change intervals. One of the biggest secrets Chinese drivers use is changing engine oil earlier than the manufacturer's maximum interval. Many people wait until 7,000, 10,000, or even 15,000 miles before changing oil because they want to save money. But many taxi fleets and delivery drivers in China change their oil 1,000 to 2,000 miles earlier because they know fresh oil is the key to engine longevity. Dirty oil loses its ability to lubricate engine parts properly, and once that happens, metal parts begin rubbing against each other. Some experts say old oil can increase engine wear by up to 40% because it becomes contaminated with dirt, fuel, carbon, and moisture. Thick, dirty oil can also block tiny oil passages inside the engine, which reduces lubrication to important parts like the camshaft and timing chain. That is why many high-mileage engines start sounding louder and rougher over time. Fresh oil can instantly make an engine quieter, smoother, and more responsive. Hack number 10. The HHO molecular carbon detox. One of the most talked about Chinese engine revival methods among DIY enthusiasts and mechanics is called the HHO molecular carbon detox. This hack involves generating hydrogen and oxygen gas from water and introducing that gas into the engine's air intake while the engine runs. The idea is that the hydrogen/oxygen mixture alters combustion characteristics and helps break down stubborn carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber, intake ports, valves, and exhaust system. According to recent fleet studies, this process can reduce carbon deposits by up to 72% in turbochargers and 68% in intake manifolds within a single 90-minute session. Chinese DIY mechanics often use small, affordable HHO kits that attach directly to the battery and feed HHO gas into the intake for 20 to 30 minutes while the engine idles in different RPM ranges. After this treatment, many report smoother throttle response, quieter idle, improved fuel economy, and reduced smoke from exhaust. Hack number 9. The G17 Protocol. One of the most widespread maintenance secrets in the Chinese market is the consistent use of the G17 fuel additive protocol, originally popularized by major joint venture brands like Volkswagen China. In a region where fuel quality can vary significantly, the G17 additive acts as a high-concentration polyetheramine detergent that targets carbon deposits on fuel injectors and intake valves. By maintaining a clean fuel spray pattern, the system ensures optimal atomization, which can improve fuel economy by up to 12% in direct injection engines prone to carbon buildup. Chinese maintenance experts recommend a shock treatment every 5,000 kilometers, followed by a maintenance dose. This proactive approach ensures that the combustion chamber remains free of hot spots, effectively reducing the risk of pre-ignition and piston crown damage over the long term. Hack number 8. Throttle body cleaning. One of the most overlooked engine maintenance tricks is cleaning the throttle body. The throttle body controls how much air enters the engine, but over time it becomes covered with carbon, oil residue, and dirt. That buildup can make the throttle plate sticky and reduce airflow into the engine. When airflow is restricted, the engine may idle rough, hesitate when accelerating, or feel weaker than normal. Chinese repair shops often clean throttle bodies every 20,000 to 30,000 miles because they know even a small amount of buildup can affect engine performance. Some drivers say their car feels instantly smoother after cleaning it. Others notice better throttle response and fewer vibrations while idling.
It is a cheap job that takes less than an hour, but can make an old engine feel much newer. Hack number 7. Perform a monthly high RPM carbon burn. Many Chinese drivers use a technique that is similar to what some mechanics call an Italian tune-up. Modern engines often develop carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber, intake valves, fuel injectors, and exhaust system. This happens because many people only drive short distances at low speeds, which never allows the engine to get hot enough to burn off those deposits. Chinese mechanics often recommend taking the car on a highway once or twice a month and driving at higher RPMs for several minutes after the engine is fully warm, which helps loosen and burn away soft carbon buildup. Drivers often notice smoother acceleration, stronger throttle response, and improved fuel economy after doing this. Carbon buildup can reduce power, increase fuel consumption, and even cause rough idling over time. This is especially useful for direct injection engines, which are known for developing intake valve deposits. It is a simple trick that can help restore lost performance without spending money on expensive cleaning treatments. Hack number 6. Replace old spark plugs. Spark plugs are one of the most important parts for engine performance because they ignite the fuel-air mixture inside the cylinders. Every time you drive, the spark plugs fire thousands of times per minute, and over time, they begin to wear out. Worn spark plugs can cause rough idling, slow acceleration, hard starting, engine shaking, and poor fuel economy. Even slightly worn plugs can reduce combustion efficiency and make the engine feel lazy. According to some repair shops, replacing badly worn spark plugs can improve fuel economy by up to 5% and restore lost throttle response. Many modern spark plugs are designed to last between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Drivers are often surprised by how much smoother and quicker their car feels after installing a fresh set of spark plugs. This is one of the cheapest ways to make an engine feel newer again. Hack number 5. Change the air filter. Your engine needs clean air to perform at its best, just as it needs clean fuel. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow into the engine, reducing power and increasing fuel consumption. Studies show that a severely dirty air filter can reduce horsepower by up to 10% and lower fuel economy by almost the same amount. Replacing the air filter is a simple, inexpensive task. Most filters cost under $20 and can be swapped in just a few minutes. Drivers often notice immediate improvements in throttle response and smoother acceleration after installing a new filter. Regularly replacing the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles keeps your engine breathing freely and performing like new. This small maintenance step can save fuel, restore lost power, and extend the life of expensive engine components. Hack number 4. Use a magnetic oil drain plug. One interesting Chinese maintenance trick is installing a magnetic oil drain plug. This special drain plug attracts tiny metal particles that float around in the engine oil. Even in healthy engines, small amounts of metal wear happen over time. Without a magnetic drain plug, those tiny particles continue circulating through the engine until the next oil change. Chinese mechanics like using magnetic drain plugs because they help keep oil cleaner between services. Some drivers are surprised to see how much metallic debris gets collected after just a few thousand miles. It is a small upgrade, but it can help protect the engine over the long term. Hack number 2. Keep the fuel tank above 1/4 full. Another simple Chinese hack is avoiding driving with the fuel tank nearly empty all the time. Many people constantly wait until the fuel warning light comes on before refueling. But the fuel pump inside the tank relies on gasoline to help keep it cool. When the tank is almost empty, the fuel pump can run hotter and wear out faster. Chinese mechanics often recommend keeping the tank above 1/4 full to protect the fuel pump and reduce the chance of sucking dirt from the bottom of the tank into the fuel system. Replacing a fuel pump can be expensive, and some pumps fail early simply because drivers repeatedly run the tank too low. This is a small habit that can save a lot of money over time.
Hack number 1. Use OEM Engine Oil Filter. Many drivers focus only on buying good oil, but Chinese mechanics also pay attention to the quality of the oil filter. Cheap filters may not trap dirt effectively and can even restrict oil flow.
Chinese drivers who want their engines to last often use higher quality oil filters because they know cleaner oil means less wear. Some premium filters can trap particles as small as 20 microns, which helps protect sensitive engine parts. A better filter may cost only a few dollars more, but it can make a big difference in engine protection. Saving money on the cheapest filter is not worth it if it leads to more engine wear later. At the end of the day, there is no magic product that can instantly make an engine run like brand new again. The real secret is following smart habits consistently. These Chinese hacks may seem simple, but together they can completely transform how your car feels on the road.